Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to speed up downloads in your Google Chrome. First, go ahead and optimize your DNS settings. So click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. From the menu that appears, go to Settings, and in the left sidebar, select Privacy and Security. Once there, click on Site Settings from the bottom. Then use the search box in the top to find the page of DNS. Go ahead and enter it on your keyboard, and here you'll get the option of security. Go ahead and select it. Then find the Use Secure DNS option. You'll find it under the Advanced section. Make sure that the toggle is turned on. Then select the DNS provider and click on this drop-down menu, and make sure that the Use Secure DNS is turned on. Click on the drop-down menu right here and select Cloudflare with 1111. You can also try enabling parallel downloading. So type in Chrome flags instead of settings. Hit enter on your keyboard. Now locate parallel downloading. Use the search bar in the top and search for parallel downloading and make sure that it's enabled. Now click on Relaunch button at the bottom of the browser, and your download speeds should now be significantly faster. If downloads are still slow, click on the three vertical dots again, then go to Extensions. Here select Manage Extensions and toggle off all Google Chrome extensions that's causing the problem, and check if your download speeds have improved. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.